Pleasant morning to my dear lovable students. I hope you all are fine. In this conversation, we are moving to chapter number 1, especially exercise question. Okay, 1.4 question number 1. Given 4 subdivision, one by one we can discuss. So the question for the curve y is equal to x cube. So the trial diagram also is given. So y is equal to x cube, the given figure. According to this figure, we have to apply minus x cube, we have to plot the graph. Then subdivision 2 also same, as well as third and fourth. One by one we can discuss. Already I explained the concept. Reverse order, this is positive x cube, isn't it? The given figure y is equal to positive x cube means definitely here negative is there. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. X axis, y axis. The original figure like that, isn't it? So now the condition negative side means the parabola opposite side, reflection, mirror image, isn't it? The condition f of x is equal to minus of f of x, isn't it? The first condition positive value means the given condition negative value. So consider for x's mirror means if you show in your hand means the opposite side it will come, isn't it? That is reflection. So definitely opposite of the term, this is y depends upon the curve means opposite side it will be move on like that. The same one downside also it will come like that. The parabola same. Okay, this is the first one. Then second one, subdivision 2. Subdivision 2, look at there. Same one, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. The condition y is equal to x cube plus 1, isn't it? Just to consider for x is equal to 0 means what will happen? X is equal to 0 means 0 cube means 0. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. The first coordinate point is 0, 1. Then x is equal to 1 means what will happen? So 1 means again 1. 1 means 1 cube means 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 1, 2. Then minus 1 means what will happen? Minus 1 the whole cube means the power of the value odd number, definitely negative sign will be repeat. Therefore negative 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore negative 1, 0. The first coordinate 0, 1. This is the given diagram is there, isn't it? This is the original diagram. Now 0, 1. X is equal to 0, y is equal to 1. Here next one 1, 2. X is equal to 1, y is equal to 2. Sorry, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2. Then minus 1, 0. Here, isn't it? Therefore, just parabola say. Okay, this is subdivision 2. Third one, x cube minus 1. So y is equal to x cube minus 1. What will happen? So x cube minus 1 means the same condition. X is equal to 0 means 0 minus 1 minus 1. The next case, so the next case minus 1 means minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, isn't it? Minus 1, minus 2. Then x is equal to positive 1 means 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So 1, 0. The same one 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 0, comma minus 1. Y is equal to minus 1. This is original diagram, sorry. This is our original diagram. The first condition 0, comma minus 1. The y axis. Next case minus 1, comma minus 2. So minus 1, comma minus 2. Here. The next one 1, comma 0. So inside will come, isn't it? This is the way inside of this. So parallel of the same. Okay. Next one, the last one, subdivision 4. Subdivision 4, y is equal to x plus 1 the whole cube. So x plus 1 the whole cube means the first condition x is equal to 0 means 0 plus 1 the whole cube. 1 will come. X is equal to minus 1. So minus 1 plus 1 means definitely value will be 0. One more condition will be take positive 1 means 1 plus 1, 2. 2 cube means 8 will come. So 1, comma 8. 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, sorry my dear. So 1, 2, 3. The given case like that. First one 0, comma 1. 0 and 1. Okay, here. Next case minus 1, comma 0. Minus 1, comma 0. 1, comma 8. So 1, comma 8. So 0, comma 1, x is equal to 0, y is equal to 1, minus 1, comma 0, then positive 1, comma 8, 1, 8 will come here, isn't it? It will be too long. So diagram also come out completely outside, no? It will move on like that. Okay, this is the way. Okay. I will continue. Next question. I'm moving to question number 3 from exercise 1.4 through homework. Okay. Question number 3. Graph the function f of x is equal to x cube is there. F of x is equal to x cube. Then another one condition. G of x is equal to cube root of x. Then final one also and the same coordinate plane. So the same coordinate plane means first we have to apply f of x is equal to x cube. So this is considered for y is equal to x cube means so x, y, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. Minus 2 means what will happen? Minus 2 the whole cube means minus 8. Minus 1 the whole cube means minus 1. 0 means 0. 1 cube 1. 2 cube means 8. G of x is equal to cube root of x. We can rearrange now. X to the power 1 by 3. So again so x, y, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. So now look at there, minus 2 isn't it? Instead of x, take it minus 2 means minus 2 whole power 1 by 3. Otherwise minus 8, sorry my dear. Here minus 8, okay. Minus 8, okay. Then only it will possible because the power of 1 by 3, no? Here also we can write it positive. Now minus 8 to the power of 1 by 3 means minus 8 we can write now minus 2 the whole cube. Minus 2 the whole cube means minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. Answer for minus 8. Now the whole bracket of 1 by 3. Already we know one formula. A to the power m, the whole power n means a to the power m into n. Therefore, the 3, 3 will be cancelled means answer for minus 2. So, here we have the answer minus 2. So, minus 1 means the minus 1 only will come, isn't it? Then 0 means 0. 1 power 1 by 3 means 1. Again, same a to the power 1 by 3 means positive 2 will come. Now, one more term also is there. This true coordinate point, we have to make it same coordinate plane. Okay. Then, find f dot g. So, f dot g of x is equal to f of g of x. So, f of g of x, f of g of x is equal to what the value? X to the power 1 by 3. Then, this is whole term considered for x means f of x is equal to x cube. Instead of x, we can write it x to the power 1 by 3, then whole power of 3 is there. Again the same formula, a to the power m into n means 3, 3 cancel means this is x. Therefore, this is whole term considered for y means y is equal to x, isn't it? So, y is equal to x. This is symmetrical line now. If you make it graph also, we will get it symmetrical line. Okay. The final one, I need the space, I will write it here. So, the first coordinate point, this is our first coordinate point, this is the first point, isn't it? So, f of x is equal to x cube means the coordinate point, what are the point? Minus 2 comma minus 8, minus 2 comma minus 8, minus 1 comma minus 1, minus 1, 0 comma 0, then 1 comma 1, 2 comma 8. Next point, g of x is equal to x to the power 1 by 3. What are the point is there? Minus 8 comma minus 2, minus 1 comma minus 1, then 0 comma 0, then 1 comma 1, then final one 8 comma 2. I need the spaces here. Because we got to make the graph, no? So, now the condition also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7 and minus 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. The condition minus 2 comma minus 8, first one. Minus 2 comma minus 8 there. Next case minus 1 comma minus 1 here. Then origin point. Next condition 1 comma 1 here. Last case 2 comma 8 and 8. The graph will be move on. Like that. This is what is the meaning? This is y is equal to x cube, or we can write it f of x. Okay. Condition also f of x, no? F of x. Next case g of x minus 8 comma minus 2. Minus 8 minus 2. Next case same condition, the first three values, but last case 8 comma 2. 8 comma 2 here will come. This is the way. This is what is the meaning? G of x. G of x is equal to x to the power 1 by 3 or cube root of x. Final case symmetrical line y is equal to x. So, what is the meaning? So, y is equal to x means minus 2 comma minus 2 or minus 1 comma minus 1 or 0 comma 0, 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2. Okay. First minus 4 comma minus 4, then minus 3 comma, then minus 2 comma, here also 2 comma 2, so 3 comma 3, so 4 comma 4, 5 comma 5 like that. So draw the intersecting line, isn't it? So each and every, after making the three different type of the coordinate point, we have one result. What the result? The final bisective. No, each and every line is a bisective. Therefore, we can write it the final line. Both f of x and g of x bisective. Okay, this is our line. Okay, so I will continue. Next question. I'm moving to question number 4 from exercise 1.4. Question, we have to write the step one by one. Okay, obtain the graph. The two term is there. First condition, y is equal to 3 of x plus 1 the whole square plus 5. Another one, from the graph y is equal to x square. So first one, y is equal to x square means what are the coordinate points? So y is equal to x square means x is considered for. So x is considered for 2 means 2 square means 4. Next condition, x is equal to 1 means 1 will come. 0 means 0 comma 0. At the same time, a negative term means, so negative 1 the whole square also positive 1, isn't it? Negative 1 the whole square means positive 1. Negative 2 the whole square also positive 4. Just to plot the term. So 2 comma 4. First graph 2 comma 4. Okay. Next case 1 comma 1. 1 comma 1. Then 0 comma 0 origin point. Minus 1 comma 1. Minus 1 comma 1. Then minus 2 comma 4. So definitely we can say the step we can write it is in the right step. So step number 1, draw a graph, isn't it? Draw a graph. Y is equal to x square. So y is equal to x square. What the type of parabola? This is open upward parabola. Y is equal to x square. Open upward parabola. Open upward parabola through, passes through the point, passes through the origin 0 comma 0. Passes through the origin. Passes through the origin. This is step number 1. Okay. Then next condition. So next condition. First I will consider only x plus 1 the whole square into 3. First this one. Okay. Except 5. So y is equal to 3 of x plus 1 the whole square. What will happen? First one, x is equal to minus 2. So minus 2 means minus 2 plus 1. Minus 1. Minus 1 the whole square means positive 1. 1 into 3, 3. First case. Then minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1. 0 will come now. The next case, positive 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 square means 4. 4 3s are 12. Then 2 means it will take bigger number. It's enough now. Minus 2 comma 3. Minus 2 comma 3 inside. Next case, minus 1 comma 0. There. Then 1 comma 12. Comma 12. 1 means correct no. 1 plus 1 2. 2 square means 4. 4 3s are 12. Then this is what the type. This is a little bit different, no? It will move on, inside will come, isn't it? So the condition actually, sorry my dear, here plus 1 or minus 1. Minus 1 dear, sorry. There minus 1, okay, here also minus 1. Now the minus 1 means totally different, no? The term also. Okay, just wait. So minus 1, okay. Now the same condition, minus 2 means minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. Minus 3 whole square means 9 will come, 9 3s are 12. So biggest one. Again minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. Minus 2 the whole square means this is minus 1 minus 2 the whole square means 4 will come, 4 3s are 12. And 3s are 18, sorry, here 18. Okay, next condition. Then 0 means what will happen? 0 minus 1. 0 comma minus 1 the whole square means 1. 1 3s are 3. Again positive 1 means 1 minus 1. 1 comma 0. True means 2 minus 1, isn't it? True means 2 minus 1 1. 1 square 1 3s are 3. Now the plotted the term. So minus 2 biggest, no need. Minus 1 comma 12. Minus 1, okay, it's come to here. Next case 0 comma 3. So next one 1 comma 0. Okay, shift of the line, no. Then 2 comma 3. So actually the shift of 1 unit, isn't it? So actually how to write the line? Actually first x minus 1. So step number 2. Step 2, x minus 1 the whole square from the equation, shift 1 unit, no, horizontal, shift 1 unit from the equation, horizontal to horizontal, shift to right side, shift to right side by how many units? Only 1 unit. By 1 unit. This is step number 2. The same cases, add it 5 means what will happen? So add it 5 means minus 2, no, it will take bigger number, no problem. Take it for minus 1 means 12 plus 5, 17 will come. Then definitely 5 plus 3 is equal to 8 will come. Again 0 plus 5 means 5 will come. Again 5 plus 3 is equal to 8 will come. So listen what I am saying. This is vertically shift from up to 5 units, no. The final one. Look at minus 1 comma 17. Minus 1 comma 17 biggest. 0 comma 8. 0 comma 8. The next one 1 comma 5. 1 and 5. So see the totally 5 units will be shift. Next term also 2 comma 8. So it will plot like that. So approximately 5 unit. Therefore step number 3. Yeah, one more condition for step number 3 actually. X minus 1 the whole square multiply by 3. Multiply by 3. The curve compressed finally y is equal to x square. Step number 4, the last step, plus 5. So plus 5 means vertically shift up, isn't it? Shift up 5 units. So 4 step, okay. Step number 1 I rub it. Step number 2, step number 3, step number 4. Okay, I will continue next question.